So I had problem number 16 that says how many pairs x comma y of positive integers satisfies 2x plus 9y equals 3000. So I first started off by plugging in values for y. We're not going to plug in values for x because there's a 2 in front of the x, so all those numbers will be even, so they won't leave us with decimals when we solve for y. So we plugged in 1 first, and we got x is equal to 1495.5. That won't work because it's not an integer, so we can cross out that one. Then we plugged in y equals 2, and that gave us an x value of 1491. That works, so we're going to keep that one in the back of our mind. Then we plugged in y equals 3, and that gave us 486.5. That one also won't work because it's a decimal number, not an integer. So just from these three equations that we have right here, we can already guarantee that we can't count any of the odd y values. So now we're just going to focus on the even numbers for y. So to do that, I did 3000 divided by 9 because that's our y value, and that gave us 333.333. So the highest possible y value that could work is 332. So we're going to go ahead and plug that in and see if that works. So we get x is equal to 6. So that's going to work because it's a positive integer. So since that's our highest y value that's going to work, we're going to take 332 and divide it by 2 because we only want the even numbers and not the odd numbers in between there. And we get 166. And 166 is the how many pairs of the positive integers that will satisfy the equation.